When I first started investing, I thought it was all about numbers, stocks, dividends, charts. I thought if I just picked the right company, I'd get rich. But what I didn't expect was how much investing would teach me about myself. Let's get one thing straight. Investing is not just for rich people, it's how regular people stop being broke. Back when I was in the military, I didn't have much. But what I did have was a choice. Spend every dollar I make, or build something for the future. That first $50 I invested wasn't impressive, but it meant something. It meant I believed in tomorrow more than I feared today. What investing really is and isn't. Investing is not gambling, it's not timing the market. And no, you don't need to be the next Warren Buffett. Investing is gardening. You plant seeds, you water them with consistency, you give them time. Here are the basics. Stocks. You own a piece of a company. Bonds. You lend money and earn interest. Index funds. You buy a slice of the entire market. ETFs. Same idea. Traded like a stock. Real estate. You buy property for income or appreciation. If you're just getting started, stick with index funds. Low fees, broad exposure, and historically strong returns. How to get started, step by step. Step 1. Know your budget. How much can you set aside each month? $25, $100, $500, start where you are. Step 2. Pick a platform. Fidelity, Vanguard, M1 Finance, Betterment, any of these work great for beginners. Step 3. Choose your investments. Start with a low-cost index fund like FXAIs or VOO. These track the S&P 500 and give you exposure to 500 of the biggest companies in the US. Set it, forget it, let it grow. Use your 401k first. If your job offers a 401k, start there, especially if they offer a match. Let's say your company matches 100% of the first 5% you contribute. You make $50,000. You contribute $2,500, they give you $2,500. That's a 100% return before your money even touches the market. No other investment can beat that. Here's the order. 1. Contribute to your 401k to get the full match. 2. Open a Roth IRA and max it out. And 3. Then go back and increase your 401k contributions if you can. Why $500 a month is life-changing. Let's say you invest $500 a month, the same as a car payment. You start at age 25. You earn a 7% return each year. Now pause for a second. 7% is a conservative estimate. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged closer to 10% annually, even with all the ups and downs. But even at 7%, that $500 a month turns into around $1.2 million by age 65. Now think about it, if instead, you'd financed new cars every few years, that same $500 a month, gone. That's $240,000 spent on depreciating assets. One path builds wealth, the other path just builds a garage. Habit over hype. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be consistent. The people who win in the market aren't the smartest, they're the most disciplined. They automate their investments and keep going month after month, regardless of headlines. So automate. $50, $200, $500, whatever you can afford. Put it on autopilot and let time do the heavy lifting. Investing is a mindset shift. Investing forces you to zoom out, to think in decades, not days, to say no to some things now so you can say yes to more important things later. That $10 lunch every day, if you invested that instead, it could grow into thousands over time. It's not about being cheap, it's about being intentional. Every dollar is a decision. Do I spend this on today, or invest it in tomorrow? Staying calm during the crazy, markets rise and fall, always have, always will. The people who panic sell, they lose. The people who stay steady, they win. Over time, the market has always recovered. You just have to ride the wave. Warren Buffett said it best, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Translation? Don't follow the herd, follow the plan. Set goals that actually matter. Don't just invest because you're supposed to. Invest because you know where you're headed. Ask yourself, what does financial peace look like to me? What do I want my money to actually do for me? Maybe you want to retire early. Maybe you want to help your kids. Maybe you want to travel the world or buy your dream home. Whatever it is, let that be your why. Lessons I've learned from investing. Investing has taught me more than any book or job ever did. It taught me patience. It taught me self-control. It taught me the power of small steps repeated consistently over time. It taught me that wealth isn't flashy, it's quiet, it grows slowly in the background, while you live your life with intention. And most importantly, it taught me that peace of mind is the real flex. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the pack. You're thinking long-term. You're shifting your mindset. You're choosing growth over comfort. And that's the real win. So here's what to do next. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to KB Talks Finance so we can grow together. Drop a comment. What's your why for investing? Start small, stay consistent, keep going. Because the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself.